Tēnā koe. This interactive digital resource is made in Google Slides and it is called Rata in the Waka. It includes an audio story, pronunciation activities, and higher order thinking skills and questions. We can have a little listen to part of the audio story.
Rata and the Waka. A long, long time ago, when our ancestors lived on a beautiful island in the middle of Te Moana Nui a Kiwa, there lived a person named Rata. He was a strong young man and a future leader of his people, but he was yet to prove himself to his iwi.
And some of the many activities include writing activities. So this one is under the skill of understanding. Te Rairaka is carrying wood chips. Write her thoughts in the bubble. So the ākonga just write their thoughts here, and this can also be printed out. Another great activity is this one, where these words are in, these Māori words are in the story, and they can be matched with their English words. So we've got tuki, axe, rako, tree. The ākonga can refer back to the story, or they can read the story again, and when they've completed those, the answers are on the next slide. Another really great activity is this listening activity.
Pa tu pai a re he. Pa tu pai a re he.
Pa tu pai a rehe. And that's a good one to have here because that is often a tricky one to pronounce. You can check with the next one to make sure it's correct. A similar thing here, except these are full sentences. And the correct answer's there. There's also a hard copy of these activities that don't require the audio. The learners that have tried these so far have really enjoyed the activities, mostly because of the interactive nature of them, but also because of the audio, and they can listen to the story over again. They can listen to how things pronounced. That's also good for teachers, for kaiako. It's good for individuals or for small groups. And yeah, it's something that I can recommend, and I hope that if you do try it, that your learners and you get a lot from it. Kia ora.